Welcome to the spoken tutorial on static members in C++. In this tutorial, we will learn static keyword, static variable, static function. We will do this through an example. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu operating system version 11.10, G++ compiler version 4.6.1. Let us start with an introduction to static. Static variables are initialized to 0 before the first object is created. Only one copy of the static variable exists for the whole program. All the objects will share that variable. It will remain in the memory till the end of the program. Static functions. A static function may be called by itself without depending on any object. To access a static function, we use class name, scope resolution operator, and the static function. Let us see an example on static members. I have already typed the code on the editor. Note that our file name is static.cpp. Let me explain the code now. This is our header file as iostream. Here we are using the std namespace. Then we have class statics. In this we have a non-static variable as x declared as private. Then we have a static variable sum declared as public. This is our constructor statics. In this we have incremented sum, then the value of sum is stored in x. Here we have a static function stat. In this we print the sum. Then we have function number. Here we print the number x. The class is closed here. To declare the static variable globally, we use scope resolution operator. To access a static variable, we write as data type, class name, scope resolution operator, and the static variable name. Now the storage is allocated to variable sum. It is initialized to 0. This is our main function. Here we create objects of class statics as O1, O2 and O3. Then we call the function number using the objects O1, O2 and O3. Static function stat is accessed here using the class name and the scope resolution operator. Here we print the static variable sum, and this is our return statement. Let us execute the program. Open the terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously on your keyboard. To compile, type g++ space static.cpp space -o space stat. Press enter. Type /stat. Press enter. The output is displayed as number is 0, 1, 2. Result is 3. Now static var sum is 3. Now I will explain the output. Let me resize the window. Here, first the value of number is 0. That is, x is 0. The first object gives the value as 0. Then we have the value as 1. That is, x equals to 1. The second object gives the value as 1. And the third object gives the value as 2. Then we call the stat function, which gives the value of sum. Result is sum. Here, sum is incremented and stored in x. Hence, this will give the value as 3. Thus, the final output we have is static var sum is 3. Now let us create another object here as O4. I will call the function number using the object O4. Click on save. Let us execute. Press the up arrow key twice. Again press the up arrow key twice. You can see that result is 4. Now static var sum is 4. as the fourth object is created. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Come back to our slides. Let us summarize. In this tutorial we learned static keyword, static variable, example static int sum, static function, example static void stat. As an assignment, create a class that declares a static variable, decrement the variable, and print the value. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. This is Ashwini Patil from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.